Got a bigger garden and want to water faster and smarter? Meet Hoselink's Adjustable Spray Irrigation Kit. Designed for larger home garden beds and veggie patches, this system delivers wide, consistent coverage to all your plants. At the heart of the kit is the adjustable spray spike. It delivers fine water droplets in a 360-degree pattern from 5 centimeters up to 3 meters in diameter, keeping your plants hydrated without waste. Each spray head has fingertip control, so you can adjust the flow rate or shut it off entirely with a simple twist. It's the perfect system for when you need more reach than our adjustable drip kit, but still want full control over your setup. The kit includes spray spikes, plus all the tubing, joiners, fittings, and stakes you need to build your own layout. The system starts at the tap, where you'll connect the pressure regulator and the 13mm nut and tail. We recommend running an initial piece of tubing to ground level, then use an elbow joint to connect your main line. Plan your layout by running the mainline tubing through your garden, using elbows, tees, and joiners to curve around beds and rows. It helps to lay the tubing out in the sun ahead of time to help with flexibility. Don't forget to use ratchet clamps at all joins for leak-free connections. Once you've finalised your layout, secure the tubing with the included hold-down stakes. Next, use the included key punch to pierce the tubing where you want to place a sprayer. Snap the 4mm adapter off the spray spike and insert it into your 4mm micro tubing. Then, connect to the mainline tubing by pushing it into the hole. Finish by cutting the 4mm line to your desired length and pushing it onto a spray spike outlet. Then place it in the soil and repeat for the remainder of your line. Once all emitters are in, flush the system to remove any dirt, plug the ends, and you're ready to go. In this scenario, I've run a full circuit. So in order to flush the system, we need to remove each sprinkler head, run some water through, then pop the sprinkler heads back on, and you're good to go. You'll want to adjust each sprayer to the coverage and flow that suits your space. If you want to make changes, use a Goof plug to patch unwanted holes in your main line. And you can keep expanding as your garden grows. Plus, you can even expand your system with optional extras like filters, valves, or additional spray spikes. It's flexible, easy to install, and perfect for big jobs without the hassle of manual watering. Plus, it's built tough with UV-stabilised materials made for Aussie conditions. Hoselink's Adjustable Spray Kit. Wide, even watering for your garden, made easy. And it's just one of 3 new irrigation kits from Hoselink. Happy watering!